In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Notion quickly and easily, even though Notion itself doesn't have a built-in zoom button. This is one of the most common questions new and existing Notion users ask, especially if text looks too small or you're working on a high-resolution screen. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to zoom in and zoom out in Notion using your browser, and this works on any Notion page. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser and go to any page where you want to zoom in. This method works whether you're using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or most modern browsers. Once your Notion page is open, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu, sometimes called the browser menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Zoom. Right next to it, you'll see a plus icon and a minus icon. To zoom in on your Notion page, click the plus icon. You'll immediately notice that everything on the page becomes larger, including text, icons, and page content. If you want to zoom in further, just keep clicking the plus icon until the size feels comfortable for you. If you ever need to zoom out, simply click the minus icon in the same menu. This reduces the zoom level and makes everything smaller again. You can adjust this at any time while working in Notion, and the browser will remember the zoom level for that site. This is especially helpful if you spend long hours planning, writing, or managing databases in Notion and want better readability. One important thing to remember is that this is browser-based zoom, not a Notion-specific setting. That means it only affects how Notion appears in your browser and doesn't change the actual content or layout for other users. If you're using keyboard shortcuts, you can also zoom in by holding the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac and pressing the plus key, and zoom out by pressing the minus key. This can save you even more time once you get used to it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to zoom in and zoom out in Notion using your browser settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.